What's going on, everybody? It's your girl, SnkrMom here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Air Jordan 4 Craft Medium Olive. Let's get into it. You're gonna start out with the box. So you got this nice olive green color box. It's got little circles going out throughout the top of the box. You got your flight on top with a Jumpman. That's pretty much it for the box. Just mainly this nice olive green color. So let's go ahead and get into the front of the box, and it reads Air Jordan 4 Retro SC Craft GS, and the colorway is medium olive and pale vanilla. Let's get into the insides. Opening up the box, you just got a pretty much normal Jordan 4 box, all green on top. Can't say it's stamp of approval. Don't see stamp of approval, but you do have your normal green little tag right there on the inside of the box. You got this nice like cement, white, and gray tissue paper on the inside. Then of course they give us this little Jumpman sticker on the inside. But that's pretty much it going on for the box. So let's go ahead and get into the main ingredient of this video, and that is the Air Jordan 4 Craft Medium Olive. Okay, I'm starting this one out by saying loving the colorway. Can't go wrong with a olive green color shoe. Loving these. It's a 4. And plus I love all these different textures going on with the shoe. It's different. I like it. I like different. So that's why I went ahead and went for these. Like I said, it's a Jordan 4. Jordan 4s are kind of up and down right now. They're kind of going like the ones. Either you like them or you don't. So either you like this colorway or you don't. I liked it. I grabbed it. So of course, like I said, this is clean. It's a nice olive green. This colorway is perfect for this time of the year. You got your winter and your winter season right here. So just like I said, just a very nice clean colorway. So that's why I went ahead and picked these up. Glad I did. Very nice clean materials going throughout the whole upper of the shoe. It's just a very nice 4. So let's go ahead and get into the description of the shoe. Like I said, all these different materials. That's why they call it the Craft SC Special Edition, because you do have these different types of materials. On the top right here, I'm gonna say you got like this nice nubuck olive color right here going on the top of the toe of the shoe right here. Then on the front of the toe, you got this nice like a suede green material right there on top of the toe of the shoe, which is very clean. You coming right here to the side of the shoe, you got this fake cage, because it's not a cage right there, so I'm gonna go with fake cage. So you just got the indentions of a cage and this nice suede material right here on the side. I know a lot of people don't like that they don't have the actual cage. To me, it doesn't bother me. I like it. It goes with the shoe. It goes with the way they have made the shoe with the different materials. So I like it. No issues for me. But if you one of those OGs that's always want to have everything exactly the same, and of course I can understand you not wanting the cage right here. But to me, like I said, it looks like a cage. So hey, that's all we need right now. So you got your green right there on the side. You still got this nice nubuck green still coming across the side of the shoe. Also, right here on the little tab, you got this nice black leather on the side of the tab right here on the side of the shoe. On the eyelets, you got like a smoke black eyelid right here on the side. Flip it to the back of the heel where you got that Jumpman symbol right there at the back, where it's like a semi-translucent, it's like a rubber type material right there on the back of the heel of the shoe with that nice Pale Vanilla Jumpman symbol. You got your little tab that comes on every Jordan 4. This one is like it's kind of like rubber. Well, not rubber. It's kind of like plastic. So I'm assuming it might, if you don't get the right size, it might rub the back of your heel. That's why me and 4s I always go up a size and a half on my shoe size on 4s, because to me it just fit better when I go up. When I get my true to size, they fit, but just like I said, this little tab might happen to hit you on the back of the heel while you're walking, and you don't want that to happen while you're wearing these. So if you go for these, I would say go up half a size, and you're in 4s if that's your preference. But if it don't bother you, go to true to size. You should be good to go. Going to the inside of the shoe, you just got this nice black going throughout the whole sock liner. Inside, you got your Jumpman symbol right there in that nice pale vanilla colorway. Coming back to the front of the shoe, you got these nice olive green laces. As I know, everyone has seen all the videos, how everybody's saying you should swap them out, put either the cream laces or some orange laces in it. That would look nice. I like these green ones, but of course I'm thinking black laces would also look very nice in these. But if I didn't put black in them, definitely would go for that cream, because I think the cream really brings it out. Also, just because you got this nice cream midsole on the bottom of the shoe right here with your normal Air Jordan 4 bubble that's right here on the bottom. You got your Flight Jumpman right here on top of the tongue. And like I said, overall, just a very clean shoe. You still got the fake cage right here on the front of the shoe also, and the same on this side of the shoe also. Then we got this little patch thing right here. Don't really know what that stands for. I'm guessing it's just another piece to add on there just with another material just because it's called a craft. So they was crafty with it. They just gave us all different kind of materials going throughout the whole shoe. But like I said, this is olive green colorway and it just does it justice. Looks very, very nice, clean on this shoe, and I'm glad I did grab these. Like I said, they came out today, which is November the 18th, retailing for $210 in men's sizes, $160 in GS, and I think it went for preschool and toddler sizes also. Full family sizes, overall very clean. I like them. I know they're still sitting out there right now. A lot of people passed on them, which I can understand. The way things going right now, you don't jump on every shoe that comes out. I don't do that either, but these I really, really wanted, so definitely went ahead and went for them. And yeah, that was the Air Jordan 4 craft. Like I said, you got this nice, it's like a sail midsole right here with that hint of the black. I don't know, I keep turning the shoe, sorry y'all. Then on the bottom of the shoe, you got that hint of that pale vanilla white, and then you still got another hint of a light mint green on the bottom of the shoe also. Very nice, very clean. I like them. Y'all let me know in the comment below what y'all think about these, and did you go for them or did you pass on them? That was the right shoe. Here's the left shoe. Looks the same exact way. You got that nice olive green going throughout the whole upper of the shoe with all those different materials that just to me brings the shoe out. Loving the suede, loving the nubuck, and I'm loving them tab bits of that leather that they got going throughout the whole upper of the shoe. Like the back tab with that nice semi-translucent on the back of the heel of the shoe. Only thing I wish is it said Nike Air, but we know we can't get that on all the fours. So we got that Jumpman symbol. You got your normal Air Jordan 4 bubble right here on the side, on the bottom of the shoe. Then we flipping all the way to the bottom with that same pale green and black on the bottom of the shoe also. Just a very nice clean for y'all. Like I said, it's not too much to say about them. I like them. I love the materials, and like I said, I love this colorway. So y'all let me know, did you go for them today or did you pass on them? Let me know what y'all think. Were these a cop? Are they a drop? And as you drop them, let me know what else you wait for that's coming out this year. I know we got those 12s, those that was coming out that just dropped the other day. I passed. I don't know if I'm gonna go for them when they come out on release date or not, but as of now, I'm just not a 12 person. Not a 12, but I think yeah, they were 12s. I just don't really. I don't have too many pairs of 12s like that, so don't have too many pairs of 4s either. So when I get a pair of 4, it's rare. I just have certain colorway. Like I said, I like this colorway. Of course, I got the off-whites, and then I got those SB4s, and then the Mama Years. That's all the 4s I have in my collection, and then I added these because these are definitely going to stay in the collection. But overall, to me, y'all let me know what was the best 4 that came out this year. Is it the Amas or is it the SB4s? Y'all let me know down in the comment below. But before we get to that, just let me know what y'all think about these. Did you cop these or did you drop? Or you gonna wait till they come on sale? Because they're gonna go on sale very, very soon. Because I see that they're still sitting everywhere. Easy cop if you want to pick them up. Go to your local stores or either go to Nike.com and they're still sitting on there. But that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. This was the Air Jordan 4 Craft medium olive. Y'all let me know what y'all think about these down in the comment below. And that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. So if you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. Stay tuned to the end for that on foot. And until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.